Hello, everyone. I am Rylee Kuntz, loan officer here at Black Diamond Mortgage, and I am joined today by Bess.
I'm Bess Sopuchova with Kelly Wright Real Estate.
We wanted to come to you today to chat a little bit about the homes that we're seeing that are in the more affordable price range, kind of that $500,000 or less, and what it looks like to get into one of those homes, and maybe they're needing a little bit more TLC, and what is available for that. So, Bess, what are you seeing in the homes that are in that kind of more affordable price range under the $500,000?
Well, I think we've all experienced since 2020 the home prices and values going up around here substantially, and making home affordability has just been really hard. So I am seeing anywhere from 10 to 30 properties at a time that are under that 500,000 mark. That some of them are great, some of them need a lot of work.
Yeah. And for those homes that need a little bit of work, we wanted to really talk about the affordable program that is available for you to get into one of those homes and maybe do a little bit of renovating. So one of those programs is an FHA 203K.
Can you explain to what FHA is?
Yeah, so an FHA loan is a government-backed loan that allows for a little bit looser guidelines for our buyers. So maybe a little bit lower credit score, higher debt-to-income ratio, and a lower down payment. So you can go up to a 3.5% down payment, so it makes it way more affordable for our borrowers to get into a home.
Yeah, and what is the 203K limited loan?
Yeah, so a 203K limited would be, essentially exactly that. It's limited to the repairs that you were doing to the home. So it's minor repairs, nothing structural, and you can't go over $35,000 in repairs. And then we have a 203K standard.
And what is that?
So a 203K standard is a little bit higher price point on the renovations and repairs that need to be completed. So there's a minimum of $5,000 in repairs that need to be done. And you can go up to the FHA limits for the county that you're in.
Right. Okay. But nothing structural, or is that structural?
There can be some structural things that can be repaired in that.
Great.
Yeah. So what is your experience, Bess, with homes and helping your buyers with homes that need some repairs?
Well, yeah, it's pretty extensive. So I grew up in Winter Park, Colorado, and my dad had a log home company. So we did a lot of building. I helped him with a lot of those projects. After college, I did get my real estate license and then went to interior design school. And after that, I was able to help a lot of buyers and builders with renovations and design projects. And I've done several of my own projects. I've renovated pretty much all of my own homes as well. And I was also got to do a house hunters renovation with one of my buyers, which was really fun. Yeah. I had to show them a few properties, and then we had to do a full-on rental on TV, which was different, but it was also a good experience. It's just, I love doing renovations. I love tile. I love faucets. I love paint. I love all of it, and I know a lot of it. So I have a good time doing it. And I think it shouldn't be as intimidating as it sounds. Some of these properties, they are really great layouts. They just need some updating, and you shouldn't be intimidated because you have experience with me.
Yeah.
You know?
And it can be as simple as connecting with Bess on some of these properties, finding a licensed insured contractor to give you an estimate on what the repairs would be, and connecting with your loan officer to see what you can be approved for and what best program the home maybe falls in as far as repairs. Are you doing a 203K limited or a 203K standard? And making sure that what you can be pre-approved for, like.
Yeah. And I mean, if you want a list of these properties, I can just connect with me. I can send you lists. And then with Rylee, we would obviously work with her to figure out what your monthly breakdown payment is before we even get you into this property. So, so you're not surprised. Yeah. Because some renovations can be very surprising. And that's, by doing these programs, it really alleviates anything that can come up like that.
Yeah. So connect with one of us. We'd love to get you into your first home. And when you get into your first home, it has all these updates, and that would be nice. So
yeah. Thank you for watching. Join us next time.
Yes. Thanks.